Okay, here's my account. I need to create a new person. I'm having issues with my account, and I'll explain as I do it. Okay, put me in, let's see. Okay, now we'll go up here to localhost to make sure I'm in there. See, I'm in there and my password is hashed. Now, when I come back here, I want to, oops. I have to log in. Okay, here, so I click. Here, all that's the same, but I just want to change my password to this. So I push change password. Now, the way everything is on my index right now, this is what it's doing. It's not hashing it. It's making it mission. Okay. So let's delete that again, and we'll log out, and we'll log in again. But first, we'll go here to my index. And as you see on my index, right here, I need to change this to hashed, to hash. Check. Okay, so I do that. And I click File and Save. Now I go back and I'll re-register again. Okay, and I'll log in. I'll click here and I'll go change my password to this. I push change. It says thank you for changing your password, but I go to the here and it's completely gone and I don't know why. This is what I have. If I could have help figuring that out, that would be great. Thank you.